Hello my positive people, welcome to another episode. Today's recipe we are making okra stew. This is my first time of making okra like this, preparing the stew and then white okra. Yes, I watched the video on Tasty City channel and I love how presentable this okra stew looks. I said to myself that I'm going to give it a try. So I am here today to confirm that this recipe is a must try. So without wasting time, let's get started. Here are my ingredients for the stew. I have 2 bell peppers, white and the red onion, tomatoes, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, chili pepper, small and the big one. Over here I have my protein. I have gone ahead to cook it. I have some stripes, beef and cow foot. I have my fresh okra, palm oil, crayfish, locust beans, 1 seasoning cube and some aromat in there, and salt to taste. Now I'm going to use my food processor to blend my onion, pepper and tomatoes. Now we are done blending. Now I'm going to start frying our stew. I just added my palm oil. I will just allow it to bleach a little before adding other things. Our palm oil has bleached a little. I'm going to add my diced onion. After 2 to 3 minutes of frying our onion, I'm going to add tomato paste, 1 tablespoon. Now mix and allow it to fry a bit. Now I'm going to add my locust beans and fry as well so that it will release its flavor. Now I'm going to add my blended crayfish and fry as well. Now it's time for me to add my blended onion, tomato and bell peppers, and then mix all together and allow it to fry. At this point, I'm going to add 1 seasoning cube and aromat. Mind you, we are making stew for soup. This kind of stew doesn't need spices. You don't need curry or thyme in this kind of stew. All you need is your dawa or locust beans. While the stew is frying, I will go ahead and cut my okra. I will cut it this way and then use my food processor to blend it. Now I want to thank all my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch our videos. Thank you for your love and support. If you are new here, please kindly subscribe to our channel. Press on your notification bell, that way you get notified each time we upload new video. Now let's go back to our stew. Our stew has fried very well. I'm going to add our protein. Now I'm going to taste for salt. Everything is okay. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook. As you can see, our stew is ready. I'm going to make the white okra. I have here my remaining stock. I'm going to add it to my pot and add more water. Now I'm going to add my locust beans. Now I'm going to add some aromas. Just mix, mix, mix. Cover it to a boil before adding the okra. Now it has boiled enough. I'm going to add okra. After adding the okra, I'm going to mix, mix, mix until the slimy texture of okra is formed. So you can see I am mixing and mixing it. So that is it, guys. The recipe is very, very simple, and I just love everything about this recipe. So I keep mixing, but don't overcook your okra. So that is it. Our okra stew is ready. Look at that stew. It looks super good, and it tasted so good, guys. And I just love the consistency of my okra. I don't like it too thick, just perfect consistency. This is exactly what I want. I'm going to enjoy it now with my pounded yam. I really enjoyed this recipe. Tasted so good. Thank you all for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.